Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you this fun Z-fold on the farm card. Here is my Z-fold on the farm card. It's really simple. It was inspired by another demonstrator, Kylie Bertucci, so shout out to Kylie. I just simplified mine a little bit, and I used the sheet of paper from the free Day at the Farm Designer Series paper that you can earn with a $50 purchase. So if you purchase the bundle, you can earn this paper for free. This is the 12 by 12 sheet that I used. I just cut in half and then did every 2 inches in sections on the top and the bottom to create a whole variety of these cards. So this is a 2-inch strip by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to adhere. It's actually 5 3/8 since I was doing 2-inch strips, and I had scored this at 2 1/8 and then 4 1/4. And I'm going to place this over to the edge right here so that it's right next to this paper. And then I'm just going to get some sticky on the back of this paper real quick. And then I'm going to fold this over so I know where this goes and just kind of stick it over there as well so that it flows. It looks like I needed to push that a little bit over, but pretty good. And then I cut out the animals from the Designer Series paper. And don't forget, even the animals that are cut off on the side are still useful. So I'm just going to use this cut off cow. Cut off cow. And I'm going to stick her right here. And then I've got this little cute sheep. And I'm just going to stick him over on the other side. If you wanted to, you could, place him halfway like I did on the pig here. But whoops, he's gonna go up here. Oh, maybe I could do it halfway. Oh, he's too close to the other sheep. So we're gonna do it here. He's gonna be by the tree. Okay, and then really simply cut out another piece of 2 by 5 3/4 cardstock. And it looks like it's a little tiny bit too wide. So I'm just gonna trim a little bit off, and then I'll stamp our sentiment. It's not 2 inches, it's like 2 1/8. So let's do 2. Okay. And then we're just gonna stamp our sentiment. I'm just gonna make sure this fits. That looks good. And we're just gonna use Memento Black. And I liked the thinking of you or thinking happy. You could also do from all of us. I think that would be a good sentiment to stamp as well. But I thought this was good too because all these cards are very happy cards in my opinion. Anything with cute animals is a happy card. And that's basically the Z-fold card. That's it. Really nice and simple, but just something a little bit different and unique and fun. So there we go. There's our simple Z-fold card from On the Farm. I'm offering a free card class when you purchase the bundle. You will also get the Day at the Farm Designer Series paper for free when you purchase the bundle as your celebration item if you choose. So just use the current host code and place a $50 order or purchase the bundle, and I'll send you a card kit with supplies for 6 cards to each of these 3 designs. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Hey there, real quick, just wanted to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thank you guys so much, and here's the rest of the video.